There is no difference between fossils hundreds of millions of years old and many specimens of these same organisms still in existence today. Their remaining unchanged completely invalidates the theory that maintains that living things are in a constant state of change and that they constantly develop as a result of chance. Yet the fossil record demonstrates the exact opposite. The very first fish, reptiles, or mammals that emerged on Earth are exactly identical to present-day fish, reptiles, and mammals. Some species have become extinct, but no species has ever morphed into another. This demonstrates that God created living species independently, and that living things have never undergone any evolution since the day of their creation. We may list a few of the many examples of this. A 100-million-year-old ant embedded in amber is identical to modern-day ants. This shrimp-like creature, bearing the scientific name Triops cancriformis, has remained unchanged for 300 million years. A 400-million-year-old sea star is indistinguishable from a living specimen. A 355 to 295 million-year-old dragonfly fossil is identical to those species living today. There is no difference between wasp fossils millions of years old and wasps alive today. A 190-million-year-old crocodile fossil compared with a living specimen. A tortoise that has undergone no changes, and a 50-million-year-old fossil tortoise. There is no difference between a 195-million-year-old fossil shrimp and those alive today. The alleged evolution of plants is also no more than a myth. On the screen can be seen a living specimen of the plant Acer monspesulanum and a 30-million-year-old fossil. Fossils of the invertebrate mollusk, known as the chambered nautilus, frequently encountered in today's seas, are also found in Cambrian strata dating back 520 million years. The nautilus has undergone no evolution from the time of its creation down to the present day. A fossil fish dating back 200 million years shows no difference between the old fish and those living today. The theory of evolution maintains that living things developed from simple forms to the more complex. This is a prejudice that does not reflect the truth.